Hi everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back with another episode of Tech Talk. Today I am going to walk you through our warranty registration process. We do get a lot of questions about that, so hopefully this video can help you a little bit. The first thing that you're going to do is to visit our website. It is powertrainproducts.net. Once you are on the site, you're going to want to locate the gray menu bar. If you're on a desktop, this is going to be located at the top of the screen. If you are on a mobile device, you will have to scroll down until you see the gray menu that says Main Menu. You'll click on that and then select Warranty Center tab. You will click on the top link, which is Register Your Product Warranty. Once you select that, you will want to select the date that you purchased. This is either going to be March of 2019 or later. Or if you purchased prior to that, you will select one of the other options. After you select that, you are going to want to choose the warranty that you purchased. This will be listed on the invoice, which would have been emailed to you your date of purchase. If you aren't sure which warranty that you purchased, just give your Drivetrain Genius a call. We can definitely look that up for you. Once you select the warranty that you have purchased, this will take you to a screen. There will be a PDF file of the warranty itself that pops up. You can click on this, download it, print it off so that you have a copy. There will also be a form that you need to fill out. You will need to put in your name, your Powertrain Products invoice number, your phone number, your email address, and the VIN number to the vehicle that the product is registered to. You will have to click I agree to all terms and conditions and then click send. You will shortly receive a confirmation email from us, and then the process is finished. If you do have any questions regarding this process, if you aren't sure about your invoice number or which warranty you purchased, just give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023. Thank you.